Hello and welcome back to my channel, which is all about style and confidence for the 50+ woman. In today's video I have put together a capsule wardrobe for a holiday. It's just a 1-week staycation holiday within the UK. Now if you have visited the UK or you live in the UK, you will know that we could have any kind of weather. So I've put in some pieces for warm weather and I've also put in some pieces in case it turns a little bit chilly. So I'm going to show myself unpacking the wardrobe for you, and then I'm going to talk you through some of the pieces. So I've packed it into just one small suitcase, which you could also use as a carry-on bag if you do happen to be flying somewhere. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So it's in two main sections. In one section I've got most of the clothing, and in the other section I've got things like accessories and toiletries. So in here we have a scarf and we have a sweater, and then I have a shirt dress which I've put in there folded separately as I did the sweater. So I've got two cardigans here, orange waterfall cardigan and this lovely green cardigan. Then I've got a set of tops, 3 tops, another little set of tops here, 2 sleeveless ones, one sort of longer tunic style, a cami that goes everywhere, and a Breton top, and then I've got 3 pairs of trousers. Onto the other side of the case, I have a pair of shoes, I have a handbag, and inside there I've got some sunglasses and a little pocket with some jewellery in it. And then I have a second pair of shoes. And there is still room in that side of the case for the toiletries and underwear, which I didn't pack in for this example. So here we have my complete staycation capsule wardrobe. The pieces all that came out of the case, but then I've also got on the rail the pieces that I would be wearing for travelling, which is the jacket, a t-shirt and a scarf, and then a pair of jersey trousers, which will be really comfortable for the journey. If you're going somewhere in the UK and you're going to be in the car for quite a while, something like this is perfect because it's not going to crease at all. And I had 2 pairs of shoes in the suitcase. Obviously I would be wearing a pair as well. So I'll talk you through all of the pieces now, and then at the end I'm going to put in a little clip of film showing you how it was all packed up into the case. So I'm using pieces that are within my own wardrobe. Obviously you will have things that are slightly different. I will slot in some pictures of some alternative pieces that you could use as well, and I will link underneath the video as many pieces as I can find that will make up this capsule wardrobe for you. So the first thing that I've included is a jacket. And I've gone for one which is a swing style. It's a medium sort of weight of jacket, but it is linen, so it's not going to be too hot if the weather's okay, but it will keep the chills off if it's a little bit cool. And I've gone for a neutral colour so that it'll go with everything else that is within the capsule. Now the other kind of jacket that you might want to put in is a safari style jacket. A little denim jacket will work really well. They don't work on me body wise, so hence I've picked something different, but if you like a denim jacket then that would be a good option. You may also want to put in some kind of short raincoat as well. So the first piece is the jacket, and then I've got a few pairs of trousers that I'm going to include. First of all, a pair of linen trousers, and again these are reasonably lightweight, but if the weather does happen to be a little bit cooler, then these will still work really well. I've picked a pair that they are linen, but they're kind of like a denim finish to them, so they're casual, but you can dress them up a little bit as well. The next pair of trousers that I've picked is my old faithful White Company jersey trousers. These are a wide leg and they're slightly cropped, and again they're the kind of thing that it will be really comfortable if you're sitting around in a rented property, which is what we will probably do. They're cosy if it does happen to be a little bit cooler, and they're really good for layering during the day as well. I've actually got 4 pairs of trousers in here because depending on the weather, I'm not sure what is likely to happen. So I've got a second pair of linen trousers, and this time I've popped in a lovely bright colour. The colour scheme for this capsule is navy, it's got some white, it's got some pops of orange in it, and it's got some green in it. And so I've put these in because they're a lighter weight, so if the weather is hot, these will be really nice just with a sleeveless top during the day. And then I've put these trousers in. These are a wide leg pair of trousers, and these are really nice to sort of dress up or down. If it's hot during the day, they're a nice lightweight viscose pair, and they'll look really good with a little camisole top. If I wanted to wear them in the evening, again, I could just dress them up with some jewellery and some different accessories. So those are all the bottom pieces in my capsule. I haven't put any skirts in. I'm not a big skirt fan, but you could put a skirt in there. You could perhaps have a denim skirt in there, or you could have a midi skirt in there, which would take you from day to evening. Again, something lightweight like my chevron printed trousers. And then for tops, I've got a navy top. Now this one is really nice just to wear on its own without anything over the top because it's got this pretty broderie detail on the sleeve. I have also put in with all the pieces some accessories to kind of dress them up as well. So this little necklace is picking up on the navy and the coral theme throughout the wardrobe. So this one is quite good for day or evening. It can be sort of dressed up a little bit because it's got the broderie sleeves, but it's also a good one for during the day as well. And then a little striped top, which is perfect just for the daytime. It's a linen one, so again, it's good for layering. I can layer it under a cardigan if it's cool, or I can wear it alone if it's warm. Second one, exactly the same thing, in linen, but obviously in the green colourway. And again, I put a little necklace on there that I can just dress that up a little bit with. And then I've got 2 sleeveless tops. This one, which is quite a nice long tunic length. You can make this dressy, you can make it casual. I can wear it on its own. I can wear it under one of the cardigans that I'm going to show you. It's kind of a really good dress up, dress down. It's good if it's hot, but again, it's one that I can layer. And then my old faithful little camisole top. Again, I've put one of our necklaces on here to dress it up a little bit. And this one is silk, so if it is really hot, it works really well with any of the lightweight trousers, the orange linen ones, the chevron ones, but I could also wear it with the navy linen ones as well. And it's also great for the evening, and I can layer it underneath the cardigans, underneath the jacket, or I can just wear it alone. And then I've got a good old Breton. This one is a linen one, so again, it's quite nice and lightweight. It is quite summery, but it works really well with all of the trousers, and it's a slightly warmer option than, say, the t-shirts or the little sleeveless tops are. And to cover up a little bit in case it is chilly, I've popped in this lovely green cardigan, which picks up on the green theme of the capsule, and again, I've added another accessory. Accessories are always great for sort of changing up looks, so if you wear the same thing a couple of days running or again later in the holiday, just by putting different accessories in it, you can kind of change the look of the outfit. And one of my waterfall cardigans, this time a lighter weight one, so this is really good over the silk cami. It's also good over the tunic top, so they work really well together. And of course it goes with all the pieces, the bottom pieces. And again, I've put in another scarf here that's kind of picking up on the colours in the capsule as well. And then for another slightly warmer option, which I could wear day or dress it up a little bit for the evening, is this one, which has got a nice metallic thread in it. So it kind of makes it something that if you were going out to the pub in the evening to eat, you could wear this. I could put one of the necklaces on it, I could put one of the scarves on it, and it will work with any of the pairs of trousers. And then the last thing that I put in was this shirt dress. I could wear it on its own. It looks really nice accessorised with the scarves. I could wear it under either of the two cardigans or the jacket. I could also wear it over the top of one of the t-shirts or the little camisole as a short sleeve jacket, wearing it open. So it's a really versatile option to put in there. And of course, if it does happen to be chilly, I could put a t-shirt under it. I could put this on, and then I could put one of the cardigans over the top of it as well. So a really good versatile option. And then for accessories, I would pack a pair of espadrilles. I'm actually wearing them at the moment, but these I would pack. And then perhaps a pair of cream shoes, loafers, which will go with absolutely everything. They're going to be fine unless the weather is really awful. I might if a pair of darker shoes, but these are great because they go with absolutely everything. And then with those, for a daytime bag, I would pack this one. Now this is from our accessory collection, and although it's not that big a bag, it actually fits absolutely tons in it. I can get my large purse in there. I can also get quite a decent sized makeup bag in there. I can put sunglasses in there. There is plenty of room for everything, and it does come with a crossbody strap as well, so it works really well if you want to wear it across the body. And then I will probably pop in this orange set as well, because they're really nice for kind of adding a pop of colour to the outfits. If I wanted to go out in the evening, as I said, I might put those with that sweater and the navy trousers. Equally, they're nice for the daytime too if it's dry. Obviously, because these are suede, I would have to be a little bit more careful with them. But if you're going somewhere a bit warmer and you know the weather's going to be good, then you might want to put in a pair of sandals. Again, this bag is similar thing. It's a really good size. It can fit plenty of things in it, but it's nice enough to use for the evening as well, and it does have the crossbody strap on it. I took this one when we went to Florida last year, and I used it so much because it's not too big to get in the way if you're going out during the day, but as I say, equally it's quite nice to use in the evening as well. And then of course, just in case it did happen to be nice, I would pop in at least a couple of pairs of sunglasses. I do love my sunglasses, so I'd probably put in this blue pair that will go with all the blue bits, and then something that's a little bit more fancy, like these. So as you can see, I've got lots of options. I've got that as an option on a hot day, but equally I could pop the cardigan over it if necessary. Again, I could put the little camisole, and I could put the cardigan over as well. A bit more casual with the t-shirt, and again the cardigan would go over that. And I could even wear those with the Breton top as well. The jersey trousers, which do work really well with that sweater. And obviously they look equally good with the t-shirt, which I could then pop the green cardigan over. I could go navy and navy, and then again pop the orange cardigan over the top of that. And of course that one, and again the orange cardigan. And then the chevron trousers, which work with the green top. And again, I could put the green cardigan over that. But they're also a little bit more dressy with the silk camisole top as well. And then finally, these linen trousers. Great with the Breton top, obviously with the lime green, with the silky cami as well, with the stripy one, and with the longer style tunic top. And again, I could put the cardigan over that as well. So those are all the pieces. As I said, I will link anything which is still available for you, or I will find some alternatives for you. And obviously, if you're going somewhere that's a little bit warmer, you might want to pop in a couple of swimsuits. You might not need the heavier knitwear, so you could put in a couple more lightweight tops perhaps. But hopefully I've demonstrated that it will all fit into quite a small suitcase. So if you're trying to keep your luggage to a minimum, I have got enough here really to create probably 2 weeks worth of outfits if necessary. But for a week it's absolutely adequate and gives you still lots of options of things to wear. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. I will put in the description box as well my how to create a capsule wardrobe course, the capsule wardrobe blueprint, to right the way through creating a capsule wardrobe and how to put it together and all of the kind of pieces that you're going to need in it. So as well as for a holiday, for any other occasion as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I do make lots of videos about capsule wardrobes, outfit ideas, and how to stay stylish as a 50+ woman. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.